and welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty, and in today's video I just want to show you guys how I do my facial at home. I normally do it myself. I don't go anywhere to do my facial, and not that my face is all that sensitive, but I prefer doing it myself at home. So let's get started. Starting by removing my makeup. As you can see, guys, I'm having my makeup on, and I'm going to remove with this Hanan Chax Detrax Purifying Facial Wipes with activated charcoal powder from Hanan. They are very nice and very good. So let's start removing my makeups. Okay, after the wipes, I'm going in with the Miss Weddy facial cleanser, and the fact I love it so much, it comes in hard with its own blush. Then you rub it to your I'm doing this to make sure that I'm removing all the makeups. Then after this, I'm going to rinse my face. I'm just going to rinse my face. I'm done rinsing my face. Now I'm going in with my coconut oil. This one. After applying my coconut oil, I'm going in with this my shavers, these eyebrow razors, and they're very nice. These ones, I have already used one. They come in pack of 3. I have already used one. Now I want to shave the excess hair in my face, and I'm going to, okay, forgive me, I'm looking at the mirror, so I'm going to shave. The reason I'm doing this is because my face is so hairy. That is why I do this once in a while, not every day. See, I'm so hairy. After shaving, now I'm going to rinse my face again. And the next step I'm doing, I just want to steam my face. And before steaming, I want to apply this Dr. Rachel moisturizer cream. This one. Let me show you guys. And to steam my face, guys, we could use very hot water with a bucket, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And at this part, you should be very, very careful, because if you mess up kidogo, you're definitely going to burn yourself. Remember, guys, this is a very hot water, very hot. So be careful, be very careful. I'm done steaming my face. I want to scrub my face, and I'm using this apricot body scrub, and this one. And because it has very fine particles, I prefer adding maize flour to it to make the particles a bit rough, like this. And to scrub, I'm using this brush that I bought from Kamukunji. This one, it has a very nice brush here. Wow, I love it so much. After this, I just want to rinse my face. Yeah. I'm done. Okay, the next step I want to do, I just want to do my mask. I have 3 types of mask. I have this one. This is a sheet mask, and this is a collagen mask. For this one, you just apply and let it dry. You stay with it for like 30 minutes for it to dry, then you peel it off. For this one, you just dilute it with water. It's a powder form, and then you apply in your face. Let it stay there for like 10 minutes or so. And for this one, you just put it, it's just a sheet. Let me show you guys. It's a sheet. It looks like this one. Like this one, I think you can see. You just put it and let it stay there for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then you remove it. And this one is very nice. I'm going to use this one. This one. And you should not use your bare hands. You should use your blush, but for me, I'm using my bare hands. And not that I don't have a blush, I have it, but I prefer using my hands. I will let it dry kabisa kabisa so that it will be easier for me to pull it out. And I'm going to wait for it for like 30 minutes or so. I think it's now well dried. It's now well dried. Everywhere it's dried. Like, don't try and make any jokes, because if you crack any jokes, you crack my face. So now I'm going to remove it. Just peel it off like this. It's so painful pulling it like this. So painful. Yeah, like that. It cuts off the remaining hair in your face yenye ikukatika while I was shaving. Yeah, it's like this. And the excess ones, you see the remaining one, I'm going to use my mask. This is the remaining ones, especially this area. Okay, I'm now going to apply this serum from Golden Snail. This one. Like that. And everything that I have used, it's very affordable, very affordable. I'm done doing my facial, guys, and those are the products that I use, and again, those are the products that fit me. If you don't have those products, just use what is available for you. As for me, you have seen I don't have a steamer, and I decided to use what is available for me. I decided to use water and bucket, hot water and a bucket. And if you don't have a scrubber, use sugar, maize flour, just dilute it. Is what not subscribe, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified.